Want to feed your garden without the hassle? Imagine a way to nourish your plants that saves you time, effort, and keeps your garden looking beautiful. Meet the Compost Tunnel Method, a simple underground system that delivers nutrients right to your plant roots, automatically. It's a game changer for gardeners who want results with minimal work. Instead of spreading compost on top where it can dry out or wash away, this method buries kitchen scraps directly in the soil. This keeps nutrients locked in and makes the most of your food waste. The result? No nutrient loss, fewer pests, and a steady supply of food for your plants. Your garden stays healthier and more productive all season long. Your garden bed becomes a self-sustaining ecosystem, with roots growing toward a hidden buffet of nutrients. Plants thrive as they access what they need, when they need it. No more messy compost piles or unwanted critters. Your garden stays neat and you avoid the hassle of turning compost or dealing with smells. Just dig a trench, fill it with scraps, cover it, and let nature do the work. It's that easy. No special tools or equipment required. The soil's worms and microbes break everything down, feeding your plants from below. This natural process improves soil health over time. It's effortless, odor-free, and space-saving, turning your garden into a thriving, low-maintenance paradise you'll love coming home to. Building a compost tunnel is a simple and rewarding project that anyone can do, even if you're new to gardening. Start by picking a spot in your garden bed, between rows of vegetables or in an area where you plan to plant soon works best. Dig a trench about a foot deep and a foot wide, making it as long as you want, depending on your available space and compost needs. Fill the trench with alternating layers of kitchen scraps, like fruit peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells, and brown materials such as shredded cardboard or dry leaves. Lightly moisten each layer as you go to help the composting process along, but don't soak it. Avoid packing the materials down. Leaving some air pockets is important for healthy decomposition and to prevent bad odors. Once your trench is full, cover it completely with the soil you dug out earlier, sealing in the nutrients. Rake the soil level so your garden bed looks neat and tidy, blending the compost tunnel into your garden. You can plant seeds or seedlings right on top of the tunnel, or beside it, to take advantage of the nutrients. As the underground compost breaks down, it will slowly feed your plants, giving you healthier growth, with almost no extra effort. The compost tunnel works because it creates the perfect environment for soil life, earthworms, bacteria, and fungi. These organisms break down your scraps, releasing nutrients right where roots can absorb them. Underground nutrients are trapped in the soil, not lost to air or rain. The decomposing matter also holds water, acting like a sponge during dry spells. This means less watering and more resilient plants. As tunnels break down, they leave behind rich, loose soil. Rotate tunnel locations each season to improve your whole garden bed. You're not just feeding plants, you're building long-term soil health. The compost tunnel method is rooted in ancient wisdom, practices passed down through generations, shaped by a deep understanding of the land and its cycles. For centuries, farmers have buried organic matter to enrich their fields, harnessing the power of decomposition to renew the earth. This method closely mimics the natural forest floor, where fallen leaves and organic debris slowly break down, transforming into rich, fertile soil. By burying kitchen scraps, you turn everyday waste into a valuable resource for your garden, closing the loop from kitchen to garden and reducing what ends up in landfills. Every meal becomes a chance to nourish your soil and support a thriving ecosystem right at home. Start with just one trench and watch the transformation. Healthier plants, improved soil, and less need for watering. It's simple, effective, and truly regenerative for your garden and the planet. Share this time-honored method with friends and neighbors, and help build a future of abundant, living soil for generations to come. Turn your food scraps into garden gold, nature's way, right in your backyard, making a difference one small step at a time.